This is not assistance. It is a justice and a reflection of the time-bound implementation of the commitments of my government. Further, under the Raitu Bharosa scheme, direct financial assistance has been enhanced to rupees 12,000 per acre per year, allowing farmers to invest in modern techniques, better seeds and improved irrigation. In an unprecedented move, the government has support to landless agricultural labourers under the Indira Atmiya Bharosa scheme, providing 12,000 per annum to families who work tirelessly in the fields. A total of 566 Raitu Vedikas have been established, equipped with state-of-the-art audiovisual media. The Raitu Nestam initiative is now fully operational in all 532 rural mandals, providing a dynamic platform for farmers, scientists and administrators to engage in structured video conferencing. This initiative facilitates seamless knowledge sharing, fosters collaboration and significantly contributes to agricultural advancement and rural empowerment. A bonus of rupees 500 per quintal for Sanakaram paddy amounting to 1,206.44 crore has been released to farmers to ensure fair pricing and income security for farmers who produce the varieties of paddy that our people consume. As a major step towards strengthening the agricultural sector, my government has established the Telangana Agriculture and Farmers Welfare Commission. This commission will serve as a dedicated body to address farmer concerns, develop sustainable policies, and ensure that Telangana's agricultural sector remains resilient and future ready. By integrating scientific research, modern technology, and farmer-centric initiatives, this commission will play a pivotal role in securing long-term prosperity for our farmers. Through persistent and strategic efforts, my government has effectively presented its stance before the Krishna Water Tribunal to ensuring the protection of Telangana's rightful share of Krishna River water. My government's decisive action underscores our commitment to safeguarding the state's interest and securing its water resources for future generations. My government's unwavering commitment to agriculture will continue through sustained investments in irrigation, scientific advancements, and market linkages, ensuring that Telangana's farmers not only survive but thrive. Empowering women, the strength of Telangana. No society can claim progress unless its women are empowered, protected and given equal opportunities. Telangana recognizes the transformative power of women, and my government is committed to breaking barriers and unlocking new opportunities. The Mahalakshmi scheme has been a game changer, providing 149.63 crore free bus trips for women, saving them 5,005.95 crore in travel costs. This initiative is not just about mobility. It is about freedom, dignity, and financial empowerment. Through the recently approved Indira